again! Do it again! Go!
All hail Satan! God is dead! All hail Satan! Yeah,
That's my boyfriend.
Oh, wait, zoom out, zoom out, zoom out.
That's my boyfriend. This is the unnamed show.
The episode, I don't remember what, but
3 or 4.
That's Michael, by the way.
I can't breathe.
I took a whole bunch of speed.
No.
What's in this gum?
Sugar?
She didn't chop my balls off.
Who?
That Catholic bitch.
That Catholic bitch.
Get with me. We're going to see the wizard.
Is this all?
No.
No, okay.
What is that?
Say hi.
Hi.
Wait. No. What is that? I don't know. What is that? Vicky, what is that?
It's called the cloud.
Fuck you.
Hey. Burn in heaven, you Satan.
What is that?
What is what?
That black thing right there.
Oh shit, what the fuck is that?
Oh, what was that?
I don't see him, but I will.
You got grass all over your back. Thank you.
Calling. I'm a cow! Stop fucking cow tipping! Here, you hold this and I'll go cow tipper. Come here. Hold that. Cow tipping.
So how long do I keep holding this? The sign's going away, Vicky! The sign's
What?
going away! There. Oh, there, right there! I'm seeing now! I know. Here, I'll see it now.
I don't know what to do with this camera.
I just hold my iPod. Fuck yeah!
So amazing being atheist.
So,
Oh my god!
Vicky, how long do I hold this? Okay, give it to me and you just go off.
That's my I know, because all of you Vicky, high five!
Thank you.
That was bad.
Yeah, that was really bad.
Yeah! Mine are very good high five. Where they have to go?
Over there. When do I stop this?
You can stop if you want.
Did they say? I don't know when to stop this.
Vicky, she got grass.
Can I stop?